What's up guys, this is my newly bought Leatherman OHT multi-tool. OHT means one-handed tool, and it says here that it has 16 different kind of tools in one. So it comes with a molly sheet cover. It can be attached to a belt or a bag that comes with a molly system. I got this OHT from online marketplace, since it's so difficult to find this type of color from Leatherman. So let's check the different kind of tools this bad boy has. After opening the package, this is what I got. The unit itself, the cover, it's as I've said, it's molly, a user guide, and a Leatherman sticker. So let's now check the different tools this Leatherman OHT has. So I have noticed that all the tools are located outside. Usually all multi-tools, it is located inside. You have to flip this on the opposite side just to operate the tools, but this one is kinda easy to utilize. So let's check. This pliers can be pushed down when not in use. So it has a lock here on both sides. You just have to press this so it can be used. It has a spring for retention. It can cut wires, and when not in use, I'll go keep it inside. So using one hand, I will utilize the small flat screwdriver. So I just used my one hand. So this is secured in place. It's kinda short for me, but I think it could help a lot in my daily activities. So you just have to press this part to disengage the tool. So I use two hands, sorry. So next, so I'll leave this open so we can distinguish the tools. Next would be the Phillips screwdriver. Next would be this one is a strap cutter. So this is used for emergency purposes. For example, in times of vehicular accidents, this can be used to cut the seat belts. Next will be the knife, then a bottle opener. So I'll just disengage the Phillips screwdriver here. This is a bottle opener. Next, it's a small flat screwdriver. I'll just close this. It's kind of confusing. Next would be oh, it's a saw. So last is the serrated knife. And I noticed that this can be the pliers can be engaged with ease when you just press the two locks. Yeah, so it's easily opened and ready to use. So for me, I'm gonna use this tool for my vest, since I'm using a 511 Tactec plate that comes with black. So this will come, this will blend to my set of tools for my plate carrier. So let's try to put this OHT inside the its cover. So I'll just disengage the pliers, then strap the cover, then that's it. So I'm just gonna attach this on my vest that has a molly system. Pros and cons of this Leatherman OHT. It's not, for me, it's not really a one-handed tool. You have to use your other hand, so it's not really a one-hand tool. In some reviews they say this can be used even the user is wearing gloves. I think it really depends on the size of your hand. If your hand is small, I doubt you can use this single-handedly. And the pros here, you can see the design on the surface, on what tool are you going to, what you're about to open. So you can see here the saw-like image here. Yeah, so here's the saw. So it's a knife. Then a serrated knife. Then the cutter. So overall, this is a good multi-tool for your everyday carry. For me, as a law enforcer, this will be mostly used for my rifle sight adjustment, for my bike, for my car, and some stuff to do at home. I can fix almost anything here. In some tools they have a mini scissors, a mini pair of scissors here, but I don't think I will be needing a scissor. So that's all. This is the Leatherman OHT. A great tool, but kinda pricey. Thank you for watching.